1-minute English. In this 1-minute lesson, we are going to have a look at the difference between using so and such. So and such can both be used to mean very. So is used with an adjective like, this place is so hot. This city is so big. For example, the pyramids are so old and so mysterious. Fast food is so tasty, but so unhealthy. Such is used with an adjective and a noun like, this is such a hot place. This is such a big city. For example, you should go there. It's such a nice restaurant. He hit the jackpot. He's such a lucky guy. Give it a go. Try making a sentence and leave it in the comments below.